Hello. Today we will learn about the phrasal verb get around somebody. This phrase means to avoid or bypass someone. Usually, it means dealing with a person's rules or control in a smart way. For example, if your teacher says no late homework, you might find a way to get around the teacher's rule. You cannot separate the phrase. It is always get around somebody. You say, get around the boss, not get the boss around. It is informal and often used in daily conversations. You can use it when you want to say you outsmart someone or avoid their restrictions. For example, he got around the security guard to enter the building. It is different from avoid, which means to stay away. Get around somebody means to find a way past them. Be careful not to mix the words or separate the phrase. Practice by making sentences like, she got around her teacher. Try using it with bosses, teachers, or rules. Remember, it shows cleverness or trickery. That's all for today's lesson. Keep practicing and use get around somebody in your conversations. Thanks for watching. See you next time.